Our next topic is speed of light. So our question which they have given is, what do you know about the speed of light? Speed of light is very clear when you see the thunderstorms. Nowadays when rain is going to come, thunderstorm is there. So you are able to hear the sound and see the light flashes in the sky. So what you see there, that light flashes first, but whereas your sound comes later on. जब लाइट बिजली चमकती है तो वो पहले दिखाई देती है, बट जब उसके गरजने की आवाज सुनाई देती है, दैट इज कमिंग लेटर ऑन. इट मीन्स आवर स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज मोर रेदर देन द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड. सो व्हाट इज द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज, स्पीड ऑफ लाइट is equals to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. Okay, but speed of sound is this, both we are talking about in air. Speed of sound is 330 meter per second. So see what is the difference. This becomes 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, I put wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See the thing now. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 30 crore meters in 1 second. But here the sound travels only 330 meters per second. So this is the difference between the speed of sound and speed of light. So hence we can say that speed of sound is more rather than speed of light. Sorry. Speed of light is more rather than speed of sound. So the marking is, they have already written in here in your book that in 1975 they measured the accuracy or measured the speed of light in accuracy with 29979224458 meters per second. It is believed that light journey started long back when this universe was in its childhood. मीन्स माना जाता था कि लाइट बहुत देर से ट्रैवल कर रही है, यूनिवर्स अभी बना ही नहीं था, या यूनिवर्स बहुत छोटा था अभी, या कह लो अभी शुरुआत ही हुई थी यूनिवर्स की. एंड इट टुक लाइट फ्रॉम सन टू रीच ऑन अर्थ एट 8 minutes and 17 seconds. धरती पे जो सनलाइट आती है, मॉर्निंग में सन राइज करता है, तो आफ्टर 8 minutes इट राइजेस एंड 8 minutes 17 seconds it comes to our earth. So by calculation of the speed, they have calculated in vacuum. Speed is 3 into 10 raised per 8 meter per second. So you will learn this speed. Generally we use this speed in our future also, in our other classes also. So whatever the calculation you are going to do with speed of light, you use this value. Then they denote speed of light with the symbol small c. They don't denote it with v. No doubt we use v for writing the speed, but we write small c specially for speed of light, because we consider this is the maximum speed of any object. Then comes speed of light decreases when it passes through other medium. Why is decreasing? For example, when you are moving in air, you people are moving very fast, but when you are in a pool of water, or you can say in swimming pool, and you are told to move with the same speed as you are moving in air, is it possible for you to move with the same speed? No. Why is it not possible? Because medium changes. Medium change होने से क्या हुआ? The density of the medium changes. Air's density is very less, whereas density of water is very large. If the density is very large, it indicates that the speed increases in less denser, but the speed decreases in more denser. So it means speed is inversely proportional. Speed of light is inversely proportional to density of the medium. See, light decreases. Speed light decreases when it passes from air to glass. When it passes from air to glass, means when it is moving through glass, speed decreases. When coming back again to air, again the speed increases. Same way, if light is moving from air to water, speed decreases. But when it coming out of the water in the air, again its speed increases. So they have shown you the order. Sometime last year this order comes in the exam, that please arrange these things in a decreasing order of the speed of light. Maximum speed is in vacuum. So you can put like this: maximum, then in air, then ice, then water, then alcohol, then comes glass, then zircon, then diamond, and at the last is gallium. So this is the speed of light in these mediums. So it can come in 2 marks. So please learn this also. So they have shown you in this paragraph, in this box, regarding the transparent medium and the objects: vacuum, water, glass, and diamond. The speed in that particular objects are already given. So you can compare the speed here also. So speed of light in diamond is quite less than in vacuum, because the density of diamond is very much high as comparative to vacuum. So we have already know that diamond is the hardest substance. If diamond is hardest, mean due to its density only it is hardest. डेंसिटी इंक्रीज करने पे ही इसकी हार्डनेस बढ़ती है. हेंस इफ इट्स डेंसिटी इंक्रीजिंग, स्पीड ऑल्सो डिक्रीजेस. So for calculating the speed, Galileo used Lantern. They flashed the lantern back and forth from a top of the hill and noticed the speed. Then he said that light have some speed. लाइट लेट या पहले पहुंचती है या पहले पहुंचती है या लेट पहुंचती है, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द स्पीड ओनली. ही प्रूव्ड इट बाय यूजिंग लालटेन्स and flashed its light from the top. So here they have calculated the speed. So next topic is color. It is not in syllabus. It is curtailed from the syllabus due to the COVID-19. So this secondary color is also not there. So this whole portion, that is page number 72, 73 is not there. 74 is also not there. Color subtraction is also not there. How is rainbow formed? That is also not there. So it means our syllabus is completed right now. So here are the few of the shortcuts, or they have given few of the definition. Please write these definition on the notebook. So now we will discuss about the back exercise. You will get the back exercise result or back exercise answers in your KYC, and hence you can please note it down on your book. See please, question number 13, 14 and 15 is not there according to the syllabus, which is curtailed. And question number 21, 20 and 21 is also not there. Then comes to detailed question 35, 36, 37, 38 is not there. This whole 39 to 42 is not there, but only 43 is there, because they have asked the angle of reflection over here, and angle of reflection is 45 degree. Since we know that angle of I is equals to 45, so angle R is also 45. So the crossed parts are not there in the syllabus. So thank you so much for this, and hence we have finished our syllabus.